How to connect Soundpad to Discord. So first of all, you need to search for the Soundpad software from the Google, and after searching it, you just have to simply go to the website and click on download, and after that you just have to simply click on whichever Windows bit you prefer. I'll just prefer 64-bit and click on download, and after downloading it, I'll just install it. And now as you can see, the Soundpad software is downloaded. You just have to simply click on the installer, and you just have to click on next. I accept the terms and agreement and license, and click on next and install the software to your PC. So after installing it, we just have to go to the Discord. So let's just wait to Soundpad to install successfully on our machine or PC, and click on yes. And as you can see, the Soundpad is now installing, and it's already installed. And then you just have to simply search for Discord app on your PC, and you just have to simply open it. And after opening Discord, you just have to click on login to log into your account. And I have successfully logged into my Discord account. So now you just have to open the Soundpad app we just installed. You just have to simply click on the app and run it. So then you just have to click on the file option from here and click on the preferences, as you can see, and you just have to simply go to the devices section. And as you can see, there are multiple devices that are connected to my PC. So you just have to select the microphone you want to use with the Soundpad. So for me, and as you can see, the microphone voice mode virtual audio device is now on use, and its status is good. So make sure to whichever microphone you choose, its status should be good, and you can just choose the microphone from here, and you just have to simply click on OK, and then minimize the app, and then you just have to go to the Discord app, and you just have to simply click on the user settings from here, and you just have to simply look for the microphone, like on the voice and video option. You just have to select the microphone you are using on the voice Soundpad. As you can see, we selected the device that's voice mode virtual audio device HWDM, and that is exactly the same audio device. So now your voice mode so now your Discord is connected to your Soundpad, and you can just use it on Discord. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.